Ishika, I cannot hear you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm very good. What about you?
Ma'am, I'm fine too.
Good morning. All three of you, four of you, in fact, had attended the PTM yesterday, your parents. That's very nice.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Ishika Patel, please open your camera. Imad and Samar, you too. Open your cameras. Hurry up. Okay, children, let's do one thing. We were doing the question answers of chapter 15, oh, 17, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, not many students have joined now. So, let's read out, let's find out, and only mark the answers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Re- Uh,
Okay, ma'am.
Pratishtha, read out the question, beta.
Ma'am, just let me take out the book.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Yeah.
Get ready with your books and copies, all of you.
Okay, ma'am, can I read?
All right, read.
Ma'am, yesterday I have done all question answers of this section.
On your own.
Ma'am, but only you starting of two questions. And two questions you have taken.
I didn't tell. We didn't start the long answers.
Ma'am, these are short question answers. Question
We
number
have
3.
we have completed, no? We have completed short question answers or not?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have completed till third question. Ma'am, we have completed the full question answers.
Yes, Pratyusha, you are
Yes,
confused.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have done. Ma'am, can I read E section?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I read
Okay, I told Pratishtha to
section?
read. Pratishtha, read out question one.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Write a short note on Madhya Pradesh.
All right. So when we write a short note on Madhya Pradesh, that means whatever is given in the book, we have to pick out 4, 5 very important points from there and write. Okay. So take a pencil in your hand and start underlining the answer.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are on page number 117. We are doing answer these questions in detail from chapter 17. All of you open up your books to page number. First of all, the question is write a short note on Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh is given on page number 112. Okay, opened, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then start underlining. Madhya Pradesh is a state located in central India. Bhopal is its capital. The Pachmahari Hill, Kana Tiger Reserve, and Bandhavgarh National Park are some important tourist spots or tourist destinations. Okay, you can write that. These
Or ma'am, we can write of the places of interest in Madhya Pradesh.
you can also write, but I just wanted to change the language, so I told. Let's not copy what is written in the book. Then the diamond mines are located at Panna. Okay. The diamond mines are located at Panna.
Ma'am, cotton and wheat are the important crops cultivated.
Are the important crops. That's all. Cotton and wheat are the important crops. Those who have joined right now. Okay. Start writing then. Those who have joined right now, children, we are doing the long answers from chapter number 17. Start writing, children.
Ma'am, we are on first question.
Yes, beta, we are on the first question.
Ma'am, from where we
Yes. Anjali, open your camera. Om, open your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Mehak Khan, open your camera.
Ma'am, I am opening my camera in 1 minute. Ma'am, we have to write the first line also, or we have to directly start from points.
You have to write what? The question also.
No, ma'am, the answer that we have, ma'am, like short note on Madhya Pradesh is.
No, not like this. Directly start writing the answer. Madhya Pradesh is this.
Ma'am, we have to write in points.
However you like, in points or in paragraph.
Ma'am, what is the answer of first?
Who is asking? Om.
Yes, ma'am.
Om, beta, open
Ma'am,
your book.
long question.
Open your book, take a pencil in your hand and start marking the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Open your book to page number 112.
Ma'am, can we write first answer?
Yes, start writing. Start writing. Om, ready? Okay. I'm reading out, just underline the answer. Okay. Madhya Pradesh is is a state located in central India. Bhopal is its capital. The Pachmahari Hill, Kana Tiger Reserve, and Bandhavgarh National Park are some places of interest. The diamond mines are located at Panna. Cotton and wheat are important crops grown here.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyanshu.
Ma'am, today we will do answer the question in detail.
Beta,
Ma'am, we have to write in points.
we have already started doing answer in detail.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
However you like, you can write this answer whether in points or in a paragraph. Whatever
Okay,
way
ma'am.
you like. Those who have joined late, start writing the long answer type from chapter 17. Write down the first question, write a short note on Madhya Pradesh. Anjali, what happened? You were opening your camera. What about Divyanshu, Vivek, Ishika, Bhavishya, Mehak Khan? I have told all of you to open your cameras. Good. Ishika, are you not feeling cold? Hmm?
Ma'am, Rishika is in half t-shirt.
That is why I'm asking her. Is she not feeling cold?
Ma'am, I am wearing three things. Ma'am, shirt and on that jacket. Ma'am, in here side there is very foggy.
Today it is. Yesterday also it was very foggy in the morning.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, it was till 11 o'clock.
Yes. Now it is getting very cold day by day.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the first answer?
Better take a pencil in your hand and start marking the first answer on page number 112.
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Divyanshu, please open your camera. The children who don't put their cameras on looks like they're not studying only. The teacher doesn't come to know what they are doing. Okay, Divyanshu, start marking the answer. Madhya Pradesh is a state located in central India. Bhopal is its capital. The Pachmahari Hill, Kana Tiger Reserve, and Bandhavgarh National Park are some places of interest. The diamond mines are located at Panna, and cotton and wheat are important crops. Okay, this is what you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Now start writing. Vivek, have you marked the answer, beta? Vivek
Ma'am,
Kumar?
marking.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Open your
marking.
camera also.
Ma'am, the question number 2 is like like a sentence that we usually write.
I haven't read it.
Ma'am, please read it.
Wait.
Ma'am, can I read?
Read out.
A tourist would like to visit Maharashtra and Karnataka. Name a few
Yes.
tourist destinations which you think they should visit during their trip.
Yes. It is also very easy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I am closing my camera for while.
All right.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in second answer, can we write three tourist destinations
No, we will
from
write all the
Maharashtra
destinations. We will
and
write
all?
all, yes, all the destinations from both the states. Okay?
So, ma'am, in one line only.
Why in one line? First, we'll write. Summer, don't confuse other students also. Let them complete first. You always want to rush, huh? I will tell you what you have to write. In the state of Maharashtra, you will complete this line, whatever tourist destinations are there, and then in the next line, you will start in the state of Karnataka. Okay? And then you'll write all the destinations.
Ma'am, I have written answer number 1.
Very nice. Others, what about others? Have you written or still writing?
Still
Ma'am, I have written.
All right, no
Ma'am,
problem.
still
Complete it.
writing.
Complete it. Complete it.
Ma'am, written answer number 1 and ready with question number 2.
Okay. All right, children, written now. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
But ma'am, I'm writing.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I'm also writing only.
You're also writing only. Okay. 1 more minute. That's all.
Ma'am, I'm ready with the second question. Ma'am, I have dropped a message to you personally.
Yes. Okay. The second question is, a tourist would like to visit Maharashtra and Karnataka. Name a few tourist destinations which you think they should visit during their trip. So if somebody asks you, I want to go to Maharashtra, can you tell me some places? Children, will you be able to tell him some places where he could go?
Ma'am, there are so many places in Maharashtra.
Yes, we all will be able to tell him where he must go in Maharashtra and where he must go in Karnataka. Why? Because we have studied. We even saw the pictures on Google, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I shared so
Yes,
many
ma'am.
pictures. So which is that one important place in Maharashtra where he could go?
Ma'am, there are so many.
Name anyone. Who anyone can name?
Ma'am, Ajanta Caves.
Ajanta and
Yes.
Ellora caves. And what else?
Ma'am, Ajanta Caves, Elephanta Caves, Mahabaleshwar.
Yes, and Panchgani. Okay. Take a pencil in your hand, children. Divyanshu, first mark this answer and then write. Okay? Mark down this
Okay.
one.
We have to
Page number 113, the paragraph of Maharashtra. The tourist attractions of Maharashtra are, or you can begin the answer by writing, in the state of Maharashtra, the tourist attractions are Ajanta and Ellora caves, Mahabaleshwar, Elephanta, and Panchgani. Okay?
Okay,
Then,
ma'am.
then they are asking the tourist destinations of 2 states. The other state is Karnataka. So, in the state of Karnataka, a tourist can
Mysore
visit.
place.
Yes,
Mysore.
in the state of
Ma'am,
Karnataka, a
Mysore.
tourist can visit and
Ma'am, Mysore. Mysore. Vrindavan Gardens.
Mysore Palace, Vrindavan Garden, Jog Falls, as well as many temples. All right, marked everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
I can't find.
In the state of Karnataka or Maharashtra?
Ma'am, in the state of Karnataka.
Karnataka is, this is written in the second last line. See,
Yes, ma'am. Second paragraph, third line. Yes, ma'am. I'm good.
now start writing. Today, who will post the work? Do it very neatly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Pratishtha
Ma'am,
will
can I?
post. Pratishtha
Okay,
will
ma'am.
post today. Pratishtha, but your
Okay,
work
ma'am.
has to be very neat, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after this period over.
Yes, yes. After the period will get over, you will send it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write like this? In Maharashtra, Ajanta and Ellora caves, Elephanta, Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani are the some tourist attraction.
Yes, you can write this
Okay.
also.
Ma'am, but I have written the tourist destinations of
No problem. That is also correct. Better the places should be correct. You can write it in many languages, many different languages, or many different ways.
Ajanta. Hello. Okay. Elephant. Ma'am, the Ajanta and Ellora caves are so big.
Hmm.
And the third question is asking about the difference of Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna flow and the Narmada and Tapi also. I'm written.
All of you have written both the answers?
I'm writing of Karnataka. Ma'am, I want to ask
What?
something.
Tell beta.
Ma'am, that given the Punjab project, you have to when the UTC will finish. We have
Beta,
to
right
then.
now there is nothing to be done, so I'm not discussing about it. Okay, earlier it was being decided that it has to be done, but now there is nothing as such.
Ma'am, done answer number 2 and ready with question number 3.
All right, everyone write down question number 3.
Ma'am, written.
All of you read out. No?
Ma'am, can I read?
Vivek will read. Vivek is going to read question number 3.
Ma'am, can I read?
Vivek, beta, can you listen? Unmute yourself. Yes.
What is the difference between the Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna flow and the Narmada and Tapi?
All right. So, what is the difference? Who will tell? Who will tell? Nobody is being able to tell it. What is the difference between the Mahanadi Kaveri Krishna flow and the Narmada and Tapi? They are asking about the difference of the flow of these rivers. On one hand, one group includes the rivers which are Mahanadi, Kaveri and Krishna. The other group has rivers Narmada and Tapi. So what is the difference between the flow of these two groups? Let me see who can guess. Samar, why is your camera off? Tell me, what is the difference between the flow of both of them? Is it the direction? Are they directions opposite? Children, very bad. I have been always telling, and we have studied in so many chapters now, that only Narmada and Tapi are two rivers that fall into the Arabian Sea. They flow into the Arabian Sea,
Arabian Sea.
while all other rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal.
Bengal.
Yes. Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri flow eastwards, while Narmada and Tapi flow westwards.
Westwards.
Okay, I'm typing the answer in the chat box right from there.
Okay, ma'am. And then the first line will be the difference between the Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna flow and the Narmada and Tapi is.
Ma'am, I think that today we will be able to just done the question answers in detail till answer number 3. So, ma'am, I have to just post till answer number 3, ma'am, or when this chapter will be finished, then I have to send the whole work.
No, beta, you have to post only these 3 questions today.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, only 4 minutes are left to class over.
No problem.
Ma'am, we can take the screenshot also of question 3.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you can begin writing that answer. Okay, the difference between the flow of Krishna, Kaveri, and Mahanadi and Narmada and Tapi. Put these two different rivers, different group of rivers in bracket so that you don't get confused. Which are those rivers? Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi is one group, Narmada and Tapi is another group. Write it how I have written in the chat box.
Ma'am, please send the whole answer that I can take the screenshot.
Okay. Children, for these Krishna, Kaveri, and Mahanadi, I am going to write KKM. Okay, don't get confused. But you have to write the full names.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what does AKM mean?
Can anybody tell what does KKM mean?
Ma'am, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi.
Very good. And what is NT?
Narmada and Tapi.
Very good.
Okay.
Oh. Children, don't write this point. Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi flow eastwards while Narmada and Tapi flow westwards. Right? Flow westwards. Okay? The first difference is eastwards and westwards. Then KKM flow into the Bay of Bengal while NT flow into the Arabian Sea. Fine?
Ma'am, in the second point, we have to write
Ma'am, I have taken
why
the screenshot.
Narmada and Tapi flow through the westwards.
Flow through nahi beta, flow westwards.
Flow westward. Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can also write they are the rivers of Western India. But don't
Okay,
write
ma'am.
that. Just write they flow westwards while KKM flow eastwards. Take a screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have taken.
Good.
I have also.
Ma'am, it's 11. Ma'am, no.